Hey y'all, Grayson here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making my Crock-Pot creamy chicken Tuscan soup. This is one of my favorite soups. I make it multiple times a year. It's a hearty soup that is so delicious you have to try it. So I'll be using my large Crock-Pot, boneless, skinless chicken breast, chicken broth, spinach, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, garlic, Italian seasoning, sun-dried tomatoes, heavy whipping cream. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and grease the bottom of this slow cooker. So I'm just using a little bit of Pam here. Next, we're going to add in 1 to 2 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken breast. Now I have these thinly sliced so they'll cook a little faster. Now you can use any type of chicken that you would like, rotisserie chicken, canned chicken, chicken thighs, whatever type of chicken you want to use, but I decided to go with thinly sliced chicken breasts. Okay, next we're going to be adding 4 cups of chicken broth. Now I am using reduced sodium. Okay, the next ingredient is 1/2 to a cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped. Now you need to drain them if they're packed in oil, but these are not in oil. So let's go ahead and chop up a cup of these. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use a cup because I like a lot of sun-dried tomatoes. And these are already cut julienne style, so there is no chopping required. Next is 4 cloves of garlic minced. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, now everything is in the pot except for our heavy whipping cream and our spinach and our Parmesan cheese. We're going to add those later. So let's go ahead and get this covered. I have this set on high for 4 hours. So I'll see you back in just a bit. It's now been 4 hours, so let's go ahead and give this a stir. Oh wow, smells so good. The next step is to take the chicken breast out and shred it. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just gonna shred the chicken with a couple of forks. Oh yeah, it's perfectly done. It just pulls right apart. It's perfect. That looks about right. Let's go ahead and put this back into our crock pot. And now we're gonna add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay, y'all, and then it calls for 2 cups of spinach. This is baby spinach. I've already rinsed it and drained it. And let's just go ahead and add this. Next, we're gonna go ahead and grate about 1/2 cup of this Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add our 1/2 cup of, you know what, it's okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Look at that, y'all. We're gonna put the lid back on this. Okay, so now that we have finally all of our ingredients back in the crock pot, we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on. And we are gonna go ahead and cook this for about 30 more minutes and then we'll be done. It's been 45 minutes, so let's go ahead and take the lid off and see what we've got. Oh, wow. Does that look good? So see how the spinach just really cooked down? You can see the sun-dried tomatoes. The heavy cream really gives it a really velvety, thick consistency. The chicken is all nice and shredded. I have also added white beans or cannellini beans. But you cannot go wrong with this soup, y'all. It is delicious. So let's go ahead and grab a bowl of this and we're going to give it a taste. Y'all, I've decided to pair my soup with this rustic baguette that I picked up at my local bakery. So let's go ahead and cut off a piece. There's nothing like crunchy, fresh bread to go with this hearty soup. This bread is so fresh and so good. I hope that y'all can see this. Here we go. I'm just going to pop this bread right down in the bowl. Looks so good. Actually, I'm going to dip my bread in the soup. Here goes. That is so delicious, y'all. This soup is so hearty. The bread pairs beautifully with it. This has been cooking for probably almost 5 hours. The spinach is so good. Y'all, the heavy cream makes this soup so velvety and smooth and rich. Definitely getting the Italian seasoning, the whole Tuscan feel of it all. The shredded chicken, the little hint of garlic, the sun-dried tomato adds a pop of sweetness to it. And that's going to do it for today, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you were inspired in some way to get in your kitchen and give this Crock-Pot creamy chicken Tuscan soup a try. I'm sure your family and friends will absolutely love it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, perhaps you would consider subscribing to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen, where comfort is always on the menu. See you next time.